everybody. Welcome back. I hope you had a wonderful Labor Day weekend with your family and friends and a little bit of rest. And let me say thank you to all my students who joined me live this morning at 9 a.m. You showed up, you engaged, and I appreciate you. Now, I was fired up and ready to go this morning until those technical difficulties hit. But you know what? We made it through, and that's what's matter. Quick reminder. Don't forget to join me live on Zoom for our upcoming sessions. That's where you can ask your question in real time and really lock in what you're learning, right? Now, let's talk about what we covered in class today. We went through a deep dive, and these are some of the powerful takeaways you need to keep in mind. Most Americans, do not have a will. And number two, if you don't have a will, your property doesn't just disappear. It gets controlled by the laws of intestacy, also called the laws of intestate succession. Here in Texas, those laws going to be found in your Texas Estate Code. And listen, as I go through number 4, there are certain prerequisites that must be met in order for you to have a will to be called a valid will. And number 5, this course is packed with so many legal terms that you're going to need to master. We're talking about terms like heirs, beneficiaries, estate planning, estate, real property, personal property, trust, and apportionment clause, etc. Now listen, we'll continue to add more key terms as we move along, all right? And as always, remember, I'm here to assist you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me at, the email. Well, my job is to help you succeed, all right? Now, here's something exciting that you're going to be having an opportunity and excited about what's going on in the class. Again, you're going to have an opportunity to complete your required courthouse visit. That's going to be your assignment number 8. But guess what? It also comes with some extra credit. But if you're ready to go ahead and complete this assignment, I got something for you. Meet me on Tuesday, September the 9th, in the court at 1:30 p.m. We're going to be in Harris County Probate Court. Actually, it's going to be via Zoom. But if you're going to show up, you need to be an observer. You need to mark that as your role. We don't want to mistake you for a witness, right? Or one of the legal representatives. So go ahead and label yourself as an observer. Again, this is going to be a real courtroom experience. So please dress appropriately. That means dress professionally. We're talking about your business casual. That's going to be expected. Think of it as preparing for your future professional life. Now, let me run through a few of the important rules for the courtroom decorum so you'll be ready. If you're going to show up, don't show up on time, show up early. I'm talking about like 10 to 15 minutes early, just to kind of test your microphone, test your camera, whatever you might need to do. Go ahead and test your equipment. Silence is going to be required. Again, this is a formal court proceeding. And if you're driving, listen, keep your camera off already, but just make sure you be safe. Again, this is a court proceeding, and I'm going to ask you, if you're going to be on camera, to dress appropriately. Men need to have a shirt. Women have your blouses on. If you're going to have your full body showing, we need to see pants or skirts. Okay? No shorts, no tank tops, no hats, no casual wears. And look, keep the food off camera too. No food or drinks. That's not going to be permitted. We don't need to see those on screen. Again, unless the court tells you otherwise. But I'm telling you, in most cases, that's not permitted. Remember, even though it's remote, it's still court. Show some respect, show professionalism, and represent yourselves well. All right, guys, that's a wrap. This was week number 2. I wish you all the best as you continue learning, preparing, and stepping into your roles as future leaders in law and beyond. And don't forget, you need to read your syllabus, but you email me with your questions as well, because I'm going to still see you live at 9 real soon. Until next time, take care, stay ready, and let's keep pushing forward. All right? Bye-bye for now. See you soon.